Hey guys, we are at Cabana Bay Beach Resort. We are at the Bayside Tower and we are in floor 10. This is the Volcano Bay room, 2 queen. So when you come in, here is the bathroom. All the amenities are like Zest and VO5 to go with the theme. Then in a separate room with a floor length mirror, here's the toilet and the stand-up shower. This is the first time we've had a stand-up shower. Looks like they would put stuff there, but that's not there right now. We usually get a tub shower combo, but this one actually has the nice stand-up. All right. Here in the closet, you do have a safe, ironing board. This is a joint room, so here's the beds, 2 queen. There is a fridge, coffee maker, little seating area, and this is the best part, is this view is awesome of Volcano Bay. You hear like the drums going off and blowing up the horn all throughout the day. And this will be gorgeous at night. All right, so we come here all the time. We love it. This is our first time in a Volcano Bay room. We highly suggest it. All right, see y'all later.